to change birth date on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. When you click on this, you have to scroll bit down, and then here you can see your about info. When you click on this see your about info, then you come to this page, and here you have to scroll bit down, and here you can see the basic info tab. And in the basic info tab you can also see the birthday, so you have to click on the edit in the edit. And when you click on the edit, here you can see your birthday. So if you want to a birthday, so if you want to change the birthday, so let's see, I am choosing the birthday. You have to click on the drop down arrow, and then you can choose any of the date that you want, and then you have to click on the OK. And you can also change the month by clicking on this drop down arrow in the month section. And then you have to again click on the drop down arrow in the right side of the name of the month. And when you click on the drop down arrow, then you can also choose the month. Let's say I choose this month, and then you have to click on the OK. When you click on the OK, then here you can see when you choose the birth date, you can also choose the birth year. Let's see, you have to click on the drop down arrow, and then you can also choose the your birth year, and then you have to click on the OK. So and after that you have to click on the save, and then you have to click on the OK. And you have to also confirm that you are 19 years old, so you have to click on this tab. You have to you have to enable this tab by clicking on this box. And then here you can see I confirm that I am 19 years old, and then you can click on the save, and your change is saved. So please make sure you confirm that I am 19 years old. So that's basically it, that how you can change your birth date. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.